HAUNTS is a virtual reality experience that takes you back to 2006 in North Wales. We follow teenager Morgan as they begin their journey on a night out.
Including fantastic soundtrack by people like the Super Furry Animals, which really ground it nicely in sort of Welsh culture.
Callum Scott-Howells and Steffan Donnelly are both of our voiceover artists for the project. They did an amazing job at bringing the character of Morgan to life for us.
Mae'n ffordd rili diddorol o weld a defnyddio archif. Mae'n rhoi y golwg I bobl ar sut oedd hi I fod yn berson ifanc yng Ngogledd Cymru yn 2006.
I loved it, so it brought that nostalgia back. As soon as you put that headset on, you're like, oh my gosh, wow.
I just was instantly took back to my teenage years.
From a storytelling point of view, it feels exciting. It feels like you're sort of pushing some boundaries.
It's a Welsh work that we've done in the Welsh language. It's a bilingual work as well. I feel like it's a real must-see.